green, moving to the red book. Woohoo! Week 33, day 1. We're going to start with lesson 1.1 in the red book. And you guys, this is going to be so easy because it's intro again. I am opening up to page integers and absolute value. Okay, we are on page, sorry, I'm opening it up, page 4. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is an integer. So an integer is a number like -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Any number, negative or positive, is an integer. So an integer. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Integer. Okay? So an integer is a number. Got it? Okay. So the absolute value of a number, like 1, would be if you had a number line, right? And here's 0. How many hops away from 0 is it? That would be 1 hop, right? So the absolute value of 1 is 1. Got it? Pretty easy. Okay? What if we do the absolute value of 5? Well, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Here's 5. So how many hops was it? It's 5. Okay. What if we do a negative number, like -2? Okay, so we got, remember when you're doing negatives, it goes -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, right? It gets bigger as it goes farther away from 0. Okay, let me make sure that you guys can see that. Okay, it's kind of a weird angle. So, so you guys are gonna have a 2 hops away from 0. So the absolute value of -2 is still 2. Basically, anything inside absolute value, it equals a positive number. So if I do the absolute value of 99, that's gonna be 99 hops away from 0. So it's just 99. If you do the absolute value of -3, sorry, they're not supposed to touch. Okay, -3, that will just equal 3. Does that make sense? So you just take the negative away, positive away. Okay, so find the absolute value of all these numbers. Okay? So like if they do the absolute value of 14, that's 14. Okay, so look at number 1. It says find number 1, 7. So what you have to write for yours, you're going to put number 1 and you put 7 equals 7. You have to show me the absolute value signs. Number 2, it says absolute value of -1 equals 1. Okay, number 3, absolute value of -5 equals 5. So this is how your answer should look. You have to put the big lines. Number 4, absolute value of 14 equals 14. Does that make sense? Okay, so you have to show me those absolute value signs. Okay, so now it says compare absolute value with another number. So the first one they give you says 1 and the absolute value of -4. Well, the absolute value of -4 is 4 and 1. So which one's bigger? Well, 4 is bigger. So that's how that works. Okay? What if they do the absolute value of -2 and -1? Well, this is going to change to 2, and then we still have -1. So 2 is bigger. Does that make sense? Okay? What if they do 9 versus the absolute value of -9? Well, this is changing to 9, and this is 9, so they are equal. Does that make sense? Okay, so today's assignment, you guys are going to do lesson 1.1, page 6. 4 through 25 is super easy. Okay, 4 through 25. No, I changed that. I changed. Don't stop there. Okay. 4 through 36 evens. It's actually less problems. So 4 through 36 even. Okay? So I hopefully you didn't stop the video there. Ah! Okay. See you tomorrow.